Hey guys, and welcome to the channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna show you how to create tables with Canva. Now let's begin. Well, there is an easy method using Excel. So let's just go to Excel right now. Once Excel has opened, simply create a table. Once your table has been created, just click on the file on the top left. In here on the left hand side, you will see something like export. Simply click on it and create PDF. Save the file with any name you prefer. And click publish. Now again, open Canva and on the top right, click on create a design. From here you can see import file at the bottom. Simply click on it and import your PDF that you just created. As we can see, the table has been successfully uploaded. Simply click on the table. You can zoom in. From here you can also edit the tables like this. Simply select the table. You can resize it. Change the fonts if you wish. Then also increase the text size or decrease it. Maybe italics it or underline. You can do anything you wish here. You can also change the text colors. You can also edit the text. You can do much of anything from here, and once you're satisfied, just click on share, download, then download to whatever format you wish. Then it's done. Well guys, hope you liked this video. For more informational content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.